Welcome back to online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will do chapter number 17 of class 1 of EVS subject, and the title of chapter is Our Festivals. Our Festivals. In this chapter we will study about different type of festivals, religious festival as well as national festivals. And students, why do we celebrate festivals? Okay, let us read this chapter. Festivals are a time for happiness and celebration. Student, festival means it's a time for happiness, means enjoyness, joyness and the celebrations. We celebrate festivals with our family, and we celebrate with our family members, and we wear new clothes and greet each other. We exchange sweets and gifts. We visit our friends and relatives during festivals. Students, what do we do on festivals? We wear new clothes and we wear bright clothes and we greet each other. And what do? We exchange, we give sweets and gifts to our relatives, and we visit our friends and our relatives also during the festival. Now students, different type of festival we will study. Diwali. Student, Diwali is the festival of light. Festival of light is also called the Diwali. Okay, on this day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravana. Why do we celebrate Diwali? Because students, on this day Lord Rama, God Ram, returned to Ayodhya after a long time, after 14 years, after killing the Ravan. So in the joyness of coming to Lord Rama, people of Ayodhya celebrate the Diwali. At night, people decorate their homes with candles and diya. And what do we do on the Diwali? Yes, it's a clear from the name that festival of light. So it means all there is lightness, and people decorate their houses with candles and the diyas. And goddess Lakshmi, which goddess? Yes, goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on this day. On Diwali we worship goddess Lakshmi and the Ganesha. Say no to crackers as they pollute the air and cause harm to our ear. Student, we should not use the crackers. Why should we not use the crackers? Because it pollutes the air and cause harm to our ears. Next is Christmas festival. Student, Christmas is celebrated as birthday of Jesus Christ. It falls 25th December and people go to church to pray. On this day, Christmas trees are decorated with balloons, colored lights and the gift. Students, Christmas is celebrated to celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ, and Christmas is celebrated every 25th December. On this, Christmas tree is decorated with beautiful balloons, stars and the candles, and colored lights and the gifts. You can see here the picture of the Christmas occasion. Now student, Eid is also religious festival, and Eid is celebrated. Why do we celebrate? Eid is celebrated to mark the end of the month of fasting. People go to the mosque to pray namaz. Eid is celebrated by the Muslims, and people go. Where do they go on this day? They go to the mosque to pray the namaz. And after the prayer, they wish their friends and relatives a happy Eid while embracing them. After going to the prayer, what do? They wish their relatives and greet each other Eid Mubarak, and they hug each other and wishing them best wishes. And a special dish called sevai is prepared on Eid. On Eid, students, they prepared a very sweet dish, and this dish is called sevai. This dish is called sevai. So Muslims celebrate the Eid festival. You can see on the screen that children are wishing each other Eid Mubarak and they are hugging each other. Now Guru Parv. Students, Guru Parv, it's also a religious festival. The birthday of the 10 Sikh Gurus is celebrated as Guru Parv. Students, the birthday of 10 Sikh Guru is known as festival of Guru Parv. People pray in the Gurudwara and organize langar. What do they do on this day? Sikhs celebrate these festivals and they go to the Gurudwara to pray, and they also organize langars, and they read from the holy book Guru Granth Sahib, and on this day they read the holy book Guru Granth Sahib. You can see here the picture of Guru Parv. Do you know, students, Pongal is a big festival of South India. Pongal is a big festival of South India. People worship the gods of the sun and rain and also the cow. What do the people on this day? People worship the gods of sun. Gods of sun is worshipped by the people on this day, and rain and cow is also worshipped on the Pongal, and it's a festival of South India. It's a festival of South India. You can see here a picture of Pongal occasion. Now Onam. Onam is the harvest festival. Student, it is the harvest festival and of Kerala. Which state? Kerala. Onam is the harvest festival of state Kerala. And grand boat races are organized during this festival. On this occasion, boat races are held and people enjoy on the boat races. You can see clearly the picture of Onam occasion. Now students, there are some national festivals are also. Now let us read about the national festivals. We also celebrate national festivals. There are some festivals that is celebrated by our nations. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Every 26th January, Republic Day is celebrated. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every day. On this day, India got independence. Independence Day. It's our national festival, Republic Day and the Independence Day. Now students, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. You can see here the Gandhi Jayanti national festival picture. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Every 2nd October of the year, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated. Why? Why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Because it's the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. On this day, Mahatma Gandhi was born. So, on the mark to remember the to celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. And do you know who is Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi was the father of our nation. Father of our nation. Now we will do exercise of this chapter. Tick the correct answer. In this student we have to write tick in front of the correct alternative. The festival of lights is what is known as festival of light? Eid, Holi, Diwali. Students, Diwali. We have already studied about Diwali is the festival of light. So, tick in front of Diwali. Next is Sevai. Sevai, a special dish is prepared. We studied about this special dish. Sevai name is prepared on which occasion? Holi, Diwali or Eid? On Eid. Eid is on Eid special dish is prepared Sevai. Next is students, match correctly. Match correctly. In this students you have to match it with correct date. Gandhi Jayanti, when do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Yes, 2nd October. And Republic Day, when do we celebrate Republic Day? I already told you 26th January. Next is Independence Day, when do we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th August. So match correctly. Now is tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answer. Dash is a national festival. Which is a national festival? Eid, Diwali or Republic Day? Students, Republic Day is a national festival. Pongal is a big festival of which dash India? Which India student? East, West, South. South India. Pongal is a festival of South India. What do festival teach us, students? What do festival teach us? Sharing, caring, togetherness, and all of these students. All of these all things teach us. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Here are the some words. With the help of the words, fill in the blank. Dash is a land of festival. Which is known as land of festival? India is known a land of festival because only in India we celebrate so many festivals. We celebrate so many festivals in India. Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. Diwali is a festival of lights. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of dash. Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of student Jesus Christ. Dash is celebrated to mark the end of the month of fasting. Eid. Eid is celebrated. The birthdays of the 10 Sikh Guru is celebrated as Guru Parv. Guru Parv. Next is name the festivals celebrated on the following days. Here days are given. You have to tell the name the festivals. 15th August, Independence Day. 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. 26th January, Republic Day. 25th December, Christmas Day. Now we will learn the difficult words of this chapter. Festivals, festivals, happiness, happiness, celebration, celebration, festival, festival, clothes, clothes, greet, greet, exchange, exchange, relatives, relatives, Diwali, Diwali, Ayodhya, Ayodhya, Ravana, Ravana, Ravan, Lakshmi, Lakshmi, worship, worshiped, worshipped, crackers, 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 Christmas, Christmas, church, church, Eid, Eid, fasting, fasting, mosque, mosque, namaz, namaz, relatives, relatives, Mubarak, Mubarak, Sevai, Sewain, Guru Parv, Gurupurab, Langars, Langars, and Guru Granth Sahib, GURU Guru, GRANTH Granth, SAHIB Sahib. Onam ONAM Kerala, KERALA Kerala. Republic Day, REPUBLIC Day, DAY. Independence Day, INDEPENDENCE DAY Day. Mahatma Gandhi, MAHATMA GANDHI. Nation, NATION. Now students, it's time to do question answer. Students, when do we celebrate Christmas? Students, when do we celebrate Christmas? Yes, we celebrate Christmas on 25th December. Who is worshipped on Diwali? Who is worshipped on Diwali? Yes, Goddess Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on Diwali. What do we celebrate on 2nd October? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Which is the main festival of Muslim? Eid is the main festival of Muslim. Student, Eid is the main festival of Muslim. Name some important festivals of our country. Diwali, Eid, Christmas and the Guru Parv. Name 3 national festivals of our country. National festival, Republic Day, Independence Day and the Gandhi Jayanti. So students, today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.